Hi, we have a custom grip and pitch tool. It's for a large tire, transportation industry obviously. It is under a Gorbel G-Force. This is a 660 model. You've got your up down. We do have common buttons. So besides having our gripper safety circuit, you need to hit a common button to pitch it and to grip release. One other cool thing we have is a center of gravity shift. So you can shift the center of gravity in addition to the pitch. So it just gives you a little more flexibility when doing the pitching function. Over here, we've got these knurled jaws. So when we grip onto the tire, they can move it in the jaws. So I'm going to go ahead, come up onto the part. One good reason the Easy Arm is good for this application. Not the Easy Arm, but the Gorbel G-Force, I should say, same technology. It's very precise, so you can get onto the part, and then once you do it. One additional feature, it's called float mode. We'll go ahead and pitch this up, show you a couple things. And this is where I've got it fully pitched. And then see how I use that center of gravity shift to even the tire out. But I'm going to go ahead and put it into float mode. So then you don't have to use up-down controls. You can grab anywhere on the tool or on the part. To take it out of float mode, you just hit the up-down button. So hit that. One thing, hit the release. Even if I hit the common button and the release, it won't release again because of our gripper safety circuit, which is just a mechanical device that opens up the circuit and you can't release the part. So I'm going to show you. The part rotates easy in the jaws so they can align it up for decking. And that's a general operation of that tool. For more custom solutions, visit us at ergonomicpartners.com. Thank you.